Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
NFC stands for Near Field Communication, and it connects devices at very short range. Typical range is up to 4 cm for reliable reads. Hold your phone close to the tag and keep movement slow and steady. The phone must have NFC enabled in settings before tapping. Tags are passive and require no battery. They draw power from the phone. NFC uses standardized protocols for simple data exchange and small payloads like URLs or contact info. First, enable NFC in your phone settings and unlock the screen before tapping. On Android, open Settings, search NFC and toggle it on. On iPhone, ensure you have iPhone 7 or newer for background tag reading. Disable power-saving modes that might restrict NFC scanning during sleep. Keep your screen on and ready when testing a tag to prevent missed reads. Some phones require the back center positioned over the tag for consistent detection. Align the phone back center over the tag and hold for 1 to 2 seconds for a reliable read. If you use a thick case over 3 mm, remove it and try again. Avoid metal objects between the phone and tag because they block the NFC field. If the tag still fails, reboot the phone and retry tapping to reset radio hardware. For detailed information, open an NFC Reader app to display NDEF records and confirm the tag payload quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.